Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the JMGO NS1 Ultimate 4K Triple Laser Projector. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is $2,800. Alright, so let's go through the specs real quick. Now this is the world's first 4K Triple Laser Projector with Google TV. For the display, you got 4K UHD with 3500 ANSI lumens brightness. Now that's DLP technology, and you get an HDR10. Now for projection modes, you got front and rear projection, and you got front and rear ceiling projection. Now the hardware, the SoC is the MediaTek MT9629. That's going to give you 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of ROM. Now the light source is triple color laser, and the lamp life is 30,000 hours. Now for audio, you got 2 10-watt speakers that feature DTS:X and Dolby Atmos and tuned by JMGO Master Sound. Now the OS is Google TV with native Netflix. Everything is built in. Now you do have some smart features. You got multi-adaptive system, auto screen filling, smart object avoidance, and smart eye protection. Now for connectivity, you got Bluetooth version 5.1, you got Wi-Fi 6, you got 2 HDMI inputs, a USB-A input, and a 3.5 auxiliary input. Now this projector weighs 9.92 pounds, and you have an integrated gimbal design. Alright, so all of that for $2,800. Let's unbox it and see what it is. Alright, so here's what you get in the box. You got the projector, you're going to get your plug, you got a remote control that does have batteries, and if you look closely, the remote control has Google Voice Search, you got Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon Prime, hotkeys, and your quick start guide. Now, as far as the projector itself, check this out. The build quality is superb. On the back, this is going to be USB-A. You got 2 HDMIs, and there's your 3.5 auxiliary input. You got the built-in gimbal design. On the bottom, you see it has this little wheel that's going to let it rotate. And you got your power button. Simple and clean setup. Now in the front, this is going to be a projection lens. And look at the different levels of projection. You got down, all the way up to the ceiling, and more. And again, the build quality is excellent. All right, so I'm going to set everything up and give y'all a better view, but I just want y'all to see what the projector looks like. And there's the projector screen. All right, so there's 2 different ways you can control the projector. You can use the remote control, or you can download the app. Now from the app, you see I can click on remote, and I can swipe like this, or I can exit out of this, and I can click on trackpad, and I can have a mobile trackpad. That's pretty dope. Now I'm going to use the remote control. All right, so now let's walk through the OS. First, you have For You. So you see I got Amazon Prime, Netflix, Disney, Hulu, Tubi, YouTube. Got some free channels, YouTube TV, Max, YouTube Music. We got a multimedia player. You got live TV. And you can add some more apps. Now here's some of the apps you got. Apple TV, Peacock. Okay, you got TED, Pandora, Cartoon Network, Fox News, ESPN, you name it. NFL, baseball, whatever you want. All right, so now let's go to live. Now I can just click on this and watch some live TV. Okay, a bunch of shows on right now. Exit out of that. I'm just using the back button. Okay, we got library. Now these are the movies that I own. So if I want to, I could just watch Belly. And look how bright this is. Okay, a bunch of different shows. Spider-Man. I got Kingsman. Dave Chappelle, of course. I got my watch list. Exit out of that. Of course, I got search, which I can do voice search or type in search. And let's go to some of the basic settings. Now you got different screensavers. You can switch your inputs. You got all your picture settings. Okay, so you got light, brightness, adaptive brightness, ultra brightness, different picture modes. Let's click on ultra brightness. Now look how bright this is. This is what you're paying for. This is the difference between 1080p and 4K. I'm going to show you some video in a second. All right, let's go to picture, sound. You got your Wi-Fi accessibility and a few more settings. Now let's go to the basic settings. Okay, so you got your channels and inputs. Here's your projector settings. So you got keystone correction, you got focus, image adaptation, you got your projection type. Now you can do front, back, ceiling. Your smart eye projection. Okay, you got adaptive wall color, system acceleration, one-click dust removal, and your service. Now you got display and sound. As far as sound, we got standard, music, movie, and sports. Okay, speakers, and you got your down mix mode. And you got your audio input. Okay, and of course, all your basic system settings and app settings. All right, so let's take it over to YouTube. Now I'm going to press the button on the remote that says YouTube. And it took me right to YouTube. So let's watch one of my videos and you can see the picture quality and listen to the sound. Listen to that sound. Now this is coming from the projector. Look at that. Look how bright and beautiful this is. Amazing. Now here's another important feature I wanted to mention. You do have autofocus. So if we go over to settings, we're going to go to projector and focus. So now you have autofocus, manual focus, and focus settings. Now if you want to use autofocus, all you got to do is tap the button, picture adjustment completed. Now we go back home and everything is automatically focused. Now we can do another search. Flossy Carter white shoes video on YouTube.
Here's what I found on YouTube.
And there it is.
Get up in there, shoes. There's a lot going on in there. All right, shoes.
Now I click on the video.
I hope shoes we go. Okay.
And we got the white shoes birthday.
Got you a party hat.
All right, so I'm going to hit one button on the remote. Let's take it over to Netflix. And this is where you're really going to see that 4K picture quality. Let's watch a quick episode of Seinfeld. I'm going to play this without the sound so I don't get copywritten. But look at the quality on this. This is absolutely beautiful. Okay, that's a little Seinfeld. Let's exit out of this. So we go back. And of course, you got all your different Netflix shows. We can watch a little Archer. I say I want to watch some Archer. Let's hit play. Look at that. Do y'all see that picture quality? 4K, 3500 ANSI lumens. This is what you're paying for. Let's keep it moving. All right, so now let's try one of my favorite streaming services, Amazon Prime. So I'm just going to click the Amazon button on the remote, and it takes me right over to Amazon Prime. And I can watch one of my recent movies. Let's do a little 13 hours. Just hit play, and we can rock out just like this. Now keep your eye on this picture quality. 4K UHD. Beautiful. Now here's one of my favorite features, being able to connect a gaming console or a laptop. So watch this. I'm going to hit input source on the remote. Let's take it over to HDMI 2 and check this out. This is going to be my laptop. So what does that mean? Now I can do a little gaming. So let's take it over to Killer Instinct. Let's get maximum volume. I got my controller and we can rock out. All right, so we'll do one round. Look how beautiful this looks. I'll take it over to one of my mains. Now you could be gaming anywhere you want in your house. Watch this, y'all. You see how bright and beautiful this looks? All right, let's get it on. Okay, okay. Let's go. I'm gonna get him out of here quick for y'all. He's running. He's running. He's running. Oh, let's go. Y'all see me? Let's go. Look at the picture quality. Let's go. He's running. Let's go. All right, we out of here, y'all. I'm gonna send him out of style for y'all. Oh, he got me. He got me. All right, let's go. There it is, y'all. How dope is that? And then at any moment, we can just exit out of this. Back to my laptop. Now, if we want to, we could just play some music from these dope built-in speakers. Watch this. Open up YouTube Music.
Opening YouTube Music.
So I did that right from the remote control. And check this out. This is the new sound test, y'all.
Flossycarter in the house like shoes on deck. So here it is, the new test. Let's play it loud. Turn it up, floss. Turn it up. Turn it up. How's the treble? How's the bass? Does it sound good? It doesn't sound loud. Can it mute all the haters talking?
How dope is this?
Me boys allowed. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All your haters and all your trolls. Close your eyes.
Let's keep it moving.
Rolling. Shoes calm down.
Now we can also do stuff like this. What's the latest news?
Here's the latest news.
Lovely experience was years ago.
From the remote control. And this is my screensaver. So I can change my wallpapers. I can have my custom pictures if I want. I got my latest news. Okay, we got the voice search and the weather. Now if I hit any button, it'll take me back to my home page. This is pretty epic. Let's go ahead and wrap this video up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the JMGO N1S a major go. The 4K picture quality is stunning, it's super bright, the speakers sound incredible, and you're getting all of the features that you want in this small, compact, premium build. I highly recommend this projector. Hit me up in the comments, let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready, no meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.
Hey guys,
Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.